Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica's gamer here with another reaction? Today we here with Aidonia. Aidonia on the Red Bull and Guiness Riddim. Reload. You see me? Aidonia, Red Bull and Guiness Riddim. You know, see a throwback. We're there with the throwback them. We are fling them out today. And we're there with Red Bull and Guiness Riddim. We have a couple songs react upon the Red Bull and Guiness Riddim still. So let's start it now. Let's start it away now. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that. And you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up, you see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. Man.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Aidonia, did it, down here, Guiness.
Infamous Riddim.
So them
let's go!
Yo! The pussy them go violate and me done see. All the bullet them in my blood clot gun see.
Book 'em.
Wanna make you know to the fullest, see them. Only when them blood clot dead, the war complete. Book 'em. Watch it make me squeeze off, force it make it breeze off. Pull up! Yo!
Reload!
Let's go! Proper!
Ready!
Down here, Guinness, Red Bull.
Ready!
So them get them head pull. Yo! The pussy them go violate and me done see. All the bullet them in my blood clot
gun seat. Book 'em.
Wanna make you know to the fullest, see them. Only when them blood clot dead, the war complete.
J.O.P.
Yo, watch it make me squeeze off, force it make it breeze off.
Watch it make me ease off, boss it make it watch it make me squeeze off, boss it make it breeze off. Watch it make me squeeze off, boss it make it breeze off. That is it. Yeah. Me get it.
The fullest, see them. Only when them blood clot dead, the war complete.
Watch out.
Yo, watch it make me squeeze off,
boss it make it
breeze off. Reload. Beat it off. Reload. Make me squeeze off, boss it make it breeze off. Reload. Beat it off. Reload.
Ready?
Who this do that is me disturbing the peace like Ludacris.
Who this dude that this me disturbing the peace like Ludacris? You know Ludacris, big massive giant song, disturbing the peace.
Breeze off, force it, make it breeze off. Reload. Beat it off. Reload. Who this dude that is me disturbing the peace like Ludacris. Ruger from Aruba, make this true but with Chino. I know son of Freddy Krueger this.
Big up Chino. Lyrics overdrive did he?
Beat it off. Reload.
Who this dude that is me disturbing the peace like Ludacris. Ruger from Aruba, make this too much with Chino. I'm not son of Freddy Krueger this.
From Freddy Mac, let the clock tick, set the clock, click, set the clock, make them jack. Me no ready that, announce ain't pronounce. Him then said it that. Pull up! Yo! Let's go! Aidonia.
Alright, let's go, Riddim.
Down here, Guinness,
lyrics.
Red Bull. So them get them head pull.
Let's go.
Yo!
Be serious, take it serious. Got enough lyrics if nice.
Blood clot gun see. Wanna make you know to the fullest, see them. Only when them blood clot dead, the war complete.
Grimy.
Book 'em. Yo! Watch it make me squeeze off, force it make it breeze off. Reload. Beat it off. Reload. Make me squeeze off, force it make it breeze off. Reload. Beat it off. Reload. Who this dude that is me disturbing the peace like Ludacris. Ruger from Aruba, make this tuba twist.
Ruger from Aruba make his tuba twist. Which one your tube there? Your intestine, your belly. Man shooting in your belly, make your tribe twist. Yeah.
Do that is me disturbing the peace like Ludacris Ruger from Aruba. Make this true but with Chino. I know son of Freddy Krueger this. Yeah, from Freddie Mac, Lenny Clark.
Chino, I know son of Freddy Krueger this. The reason why I'm saying Chino and the son of Freddy Krueger this because he's not the son of Freddy Krueger, he's the son of Freddy McGregor. Chino.
This true but with Chino. I know son of Freddy Krueger this. Yeah, from Freddie Mac, Lenny Clark. Tick tick, say the clock. Click click, say the clock.
You don't know my youth? From Freddie Mac, click click, say the yo, listen what I'm saying.
Freddy Krueger this. Yeah, from Freddie Mac, Lenny Clark. Tick tick, say the clock.
From Freddie Mac, Lady Glock, tick tick, say him.
What? Chino, I know son of Freddy Krueger this. Yeah, from Freddie Mac, Lenny Clark. Tick tick, say the clock. Click click, say the clock. Make Debbie drop. Me no ready that. I know same pronounce.
Make Debbie drop. All Debbie I get. Debbie, I'm sorry, but I get one of them.
Tick tick, say the clock. Click click, say the clock. Make Debbie drop. Me no ready that. I know
them
same
pronounce.
Him then said it that. Fit take him life. Tell me ask skeletons. What a gun full of beauty and elegance.
If you take him life, tell it ask Kelly thanks, ask Kelly 45. If you take him life, tell it ask Kelly thanks. What a gun full of beauty and elegance. The gun just look pretty, sir. Beautiful.
Tick said the clock, click click said the clock.
Beautiful.
Me no ready that.
Announce him pronounce.
Him then said it that.
If you take your life,
tell me ask Kelly thanks. What a gun full of beauty and elegance. Can't violate Delhi ranks. Our 9x19 boss belly give them belly cramps.
Big up Delhi ranks. Big up Delhi. Yo, Delhi. Big up Delhi ranks. Yeah.
Beauty and elegance. Can't violate Delhi ranks.
Our
9x19 boss belly give them belly cramps. We make it squeeze off. Boss it make it breeze off. Reload. Reload. Beat it off. Reload. Make it squeeze off. Boss it make it breeze off. Reload. Reload.
Watch out.
Reload. The 9 did split two side. The rib split. Reload the Z clip.
Most people know the first verse of that song, and most people don't know the second verse. Watch out.
Reload. The 9 did split two.
Listen what I'm saying.
Reload. Beat it up. Reload. The 9 did split two side. The rib split. Reload the Z clip. Show them overboard off of the big ship. You never know. Say I saw the kids sick.
Throw them overboard off of the big ship. You know, it's a big ship at the Genius, them, Freddie McGregor, them, Chino, them. Yeah. That's what I
Reload! The 9 did split two side, the rib split, reload the Z clip.
Yeah, lyrics, dog.
Boss it, make it breeze off. Reload, beat it up. Reload. The 9 did split two side, the rib split, reload the Z clip. Show them overboard off of the big ship. You never know. Say I saw the kids sick. I do.
You never know. Say I saw the kids sick. You never know. Say I saw the Aidonia sick.
The Z clip. Show them overboard off of the big ship. You never know. Say I saw the kids sick. Aidonia. You know to try this thing. Bad man thing, no, and a childish thing. Me new rifle, no safety with the stylish spin. Make shots through the skin like Irish Spring.
Man, they make shots through the skin like Irish Spring. This whoop every foreigner, every American, the America send down barrel the Irish Spring in night. Yeah? I'm gonna make shots through the skin like Irish Spring.
You never know. Say I saw the kids sick. Aidonia. You know to try this thing. Bad man thing, no, and a childish thing. Me new rifle, no safety with the stylish spin. Make shots through the skin like Irish Spring. Quench your thirst like catching speed. Shot fly bust up, mouth left cracks in teeth. Him try.
Huh?
Bad man thing, no, and a childish thing. Me new rifle, no safety with the stylish spin. Make shots through the skin like Irish Spring. Quench your thirst like catching speed. Shot fly bust up, mouth left cracks in teeth.
So the shot I got sew the skin like Irish Spring and quench your thirst like catching peak water. Jesus Christ, I don't know you bad from them time, you know.
Try run, put gunshots in feet. Head pull like Red Bull when the clock sing sweet. Hey, see through the skin like Irish Spring. Quench your thirst like catching speed. Shot fly bust up, mouth left cracks in teeth. Him try run,
shot fly bust up, mouth left cracks in teeth.
Shots in feet. Head pull like Red Bull when the clock sing sweet. Hey, we make it squeeze off. Bust it, make it breeze off. Reload, beat it off. Reload, make it squeeze off. Bust it, make it breeze off. Reload, beat it off. Reload. Who this do that is me disturbing the peace like Ludacris Ruger from Aruba. Make this true but with Chino. I know son of Freddy Krueger this. Yeah, from Freddie Mac, Lenny Clark, click click, say the clock, click click, say the clock. Make Debbie drop, me no ready that. Announce him pronounce. Him then say the that. Fit take him life, tell me ask skeletons. What a gun full of beauty and elegance. Can't violate belly ranks. Our 9x19 boss belly give them belly cramps. We make it squeeze off, bust it, make it breeze off. Reload, reload, full clip beat it off. Reload, make it squeeze off, bust it, make it breeze off. Reload, reload, full clip beat it off. Reload, make it squeeze off, bust it, make it breeze off. Reload, reload, full clip beat it off. Reload, make it squeeze off, bust it, make it breeze off. Reload, reload, beat it off. Reload.
Yo, them time yeah, when rhythm like this come out, if your song not full of lyrics, your song not gone nowhere. If your song not bad, I make people hold them and I say, when just a while ago, your song not gone nowhere. No, I be a melodies in them song you know. Like them time there were lyrics. You did half a bad pan lyrics and I did it was that guy like him could have delivered lyrics, one top of lyrics for days. You see me? Now run out of bars. You see me? Metaphor, puns, similes, every friggin' thing was on point. You see me? So big up Diddy from them time until now. You know, J.O.P. Big shit, big up yourself. Daily Rank, big up yourself also. You see me? Yeah. I go also drop the cartel and the move up on already. I stay me too. You see me? But yeah, if you enjoy that one, I want to see more from you. You don't know if you do. See the next one. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.